Hi, I'm Amos. I'm a software engineer.
And I'm Susanna. I'm an event planner. This is our 4-room BTO here in the Bidadari estate of Woodley Hillside, which is also located at Bali MRT station.
Okay, so when you enter the house, you'll be greeted with the foyer. And at the foyer, we have a hidden bomb shelter behind the cabinet. And walking in, you'll be entering the living room. We have knocked down the wall of the spare bedroom, so we have our dining table there, where we have our meals. And then adjacent to the dining table, we have our open concept kitchen with an L-shaped bar counter where we have breakfast. And walking down the corridor, we have the common toilet on the right and another spare bedroom on the left. And at the end of the corridor is our master bedroom.
Okay, so Max and I are university friends. So we go quite a long while back. So when I found out that he had started this IT firm, he was one of the first few people that we reached out to. Before that, between the both of us, I mean, we had a bit of reservation because we heard other people, a lot of people tell us actually like not to work with our friends for IT because there might be like complications, and then you will end up having conflict and then not become friends after that. But I think after we discussed and we saw the quotation and the renders that came out, we were very pleased with both cost-wise and design-wise and the ideas that he had. So we had proceeded with it, and I think it turned out really well. There was no major conflicts. We worked really well together. He was very, very responsive to all of our questions, our queries, and like if we had any, if we weren't sure about what we were doing, he was always there to help to guide us along the way.
Working with him was good. He was able to give us a fair quotation. He was organized and able to handle the vendors very well. So we didn't have much problems when interacting with all the different contractors or having to schedule deliveries. I think Max was able to handle that smoothly.
Me and Amos like to host friends quite a bit for our different activities. So we really wanted a space that was conducive for hosting of larger groups, but also felt very welcoming and inviting. So the whole house, we really want people to come in and feel immediately very comfortable and very homely, and that they can just settle and feel very relaxed in this space. Notice that the color tones are all very muted, very warm, and we have pops of colors in the artwork and the cabinets and some of the decorations as well.
Home is a place where I get to spend time with my family, so it must be very comfortable, and also it must be a place where I am just proud to invite friends over